Alright guys, I'm trying to sell this 2006 Yamaha Morphous. Got it together quite some time ago. It's got new tires. As you can see, it has brand new tires front and rear. It's in really good shape for the year. It's missing the windscreen, but you can always add one to it later. Sorry about the mess here. New belts, new rollers. I'll do a whole list of everything I replaced on it. Here's the exhaust, OEM, fresh oil and everything. So let me show you how you start it. So you turn the key on, hold the brake, give a little gas. A little bit of a cold start, but not bad. Super quiet. Doesn't smoke or anything. Topped up off the coolant. Everything works. The only thing that doesn't work is the horn. It just needs to be replaced. But very smooth little machine. Super smooth. That's it, guys. I have it posted up, $1,700 or best offer. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.